Hey guys, it's Beats by Zai and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how to create this look, then stick around and watch. So today we're starting out using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and that's from BH Cosmetics. It's called Take Me to Brazil, and I'm just using the pink and navy blue eyeshadow from that palette. What I'm doing right now is just to basically blend that transition color out that I'm using, and I'm going to take it up more so on the brow bone this time instead of under, because I'm going for that dramatic look. So definitely I'm taking it up until I like what I see. Eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the lilac color from that palette, and I'm just using that color to intensify my transition color, so it's just gonna add a bit more depth to the pink. So I've gone back into my Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that navy blue eyeshadow to create some intensity in the crease. What I'm doing basically is just concentrating that navy blue eyeshadow in the crease area only, and I'm just going to pack that on until I feel like it has enough intensity for me, or that it's bright enough for me. So I'm just going to keep on packing it on, I am not taking up the eyeshadow any further. I am satisfied with where it is right now, so I'm just concentrating on blending it out and intensifying the color at this point. So I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm using an eyeshadow base from NYX, and I'm just using it to create a semicircle over the crease, and I am just taking my time to carve that out. Then when I am done, I'm going to take a look at both eyes just to ensure that both of the crease are even, and with that I think they are. So I'm just going to move on to the next step. Another eyeshadow palette, and it's the Saharan by Juvia, and I'm using a gold eyeshadow, and it's really pretty in person, but for some reason it wasn't showing up on camera. But it's a really shimmery gold compact eyeshadow. This dark green color that I'm using now, it's from the same palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to pack that color on and mesh both the gold and green together, and these are the colors that I'm working with to lay down my glitter. Next, I'm using the same navy blue eyeshadow to mesh both the eyeshadow on the lid and the eyeshadow on the outer parts of the crease together. So I'm using a very pretty glitter. It's like a mixture of red and gold. This glitter is from Jemize. It's called Poinciana. It's really pretty, really iridescent, and I really like it a lot. So what I'm doing simply is just patting on the glitter using an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to place a glitter sealant on the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to list that in the description. Now I'm going in with another glitter, and this glitter is from Blush Cosmetics and it's called Brown Sugar. Now take a look at this glitter. Look at it. You know, the sad thing about this is that you don't really get to see a lot of the beauty of these glitters because for some reason, I don't know, but it's really pretty as well, and I really think that it was a good match for the first glitter that I put down. I think they blend together really seamlessly and I love it. I'm sorry guys, but unfortunately I really do not know the name of this product. I had it for some time and the label has been wiped off, but it's simply a gold liquid liner that you can get from anywhere to create this look if you're interested. Then to clean up that gold line, I went in with my NYX matte liquid liner to give me that dramatic effect. To highlight the main points of a face, after doing a foundation, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a beautiful bronze and then setting her entire face using a compact powder from Maybelline in number 360 Mocha. Next, to give her that glam goddess look, I'm going in to my Morphe bronzer palette. This is the finished look guys, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and share. And I have a question for you guys. Which earrings do you prefer? Do you prefer the blue chandelier earrings or the yellow tassel earrings? Leave it in the comments please. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.